What's up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2021 Mustang GT. So for today's video, I'm gonna be installing my new spoiler. So I was waiting on that for a while. It finally did come in, and I'll show you guys the spoiler. But first, real quick, I'm also gonna be installing these. Let me show you. I got the like the carbon fiber interior overlays for the car, and I've already put on the ones for the screen and like here on the doors right there, then the center console one. But let me show you guys a little bit more on that. All right, so that's what it looks like with the overlays on. What do you guys think? I think it looks a lot nicer than just the black and silver look, especially with the ambient lighting. I think that just looks so clean. But yeah, now I'm gonna go get the tools to put on the spoiler. Let's get it. Alright, just picked up the tools from the homie Eric. So yeah, pretty much this is all you're gonna need, just some sockets and, you know, just to get off the bolts. Let me show you guys what we gotta do. Alright, so once those 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts are out, the spoiler comes right off. So it's got 3M tape and then those 4 bolts. I snapped mine, but who cares, it's going in the trash anyway. So yeah, check it out. Just gotta clean off all the excess tape. The new spoiler does come with 3M tape already, and the new nuts. So let's go ahead and clean this off. Alright guys, so that's what the spoiler looks like now that it's on the car. Let me know what you guys think. I was debating between this spoiler or the performance package spoiler in gloss black, but I kind of didn't want the performance pack spoiler since obviously stock performance pack come with it. And then I don't know if you guys remember the old one I used to have on my other Mustang. It was just like a smaller carbon fiber one. But I just didn't want to get that one since obviously I already had it on my previous Mustang. But I think this looks sick. My only concern with this one is maybe at high speeds it'll wobble a little bit, because I don't know, it's obviously being held on by the bolts here, and then this is just 3M taped on there. But yeah, I'm kind of concerned it'll wobble at higher speeds, but I don't know, we're gonna have to test that out. If it does, I might end up taking it off and just getting the smaller one, but I don't think it will. But oh my god, I think it looks so sick with the gloss black roof, the vents, spoiler. What do you guys think? You guys think I should get some euros for it or leave the stock lights on? But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys the new spoiler I got and then the carbon fiber interior overlays. But yeah guys, stay tuned for more videos. Got a whole bunch of things planned for the car, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.